Did you saw how the Nasdaq yesterday fulfilled all that sell to buying orders and vice versa? Huge imbalance into price were fulfilled during the pre-market. The pre-market creating a great imbalance into price. This is a 3-minute time frame. Then grabbed all that orders during the New York opening and then tank it to the downside lower into the next imbalance. So price imbalance to price imbalance. Sellers wave to the downside and then buyers took over once we hit this imbalance into price. Pretty interesting level. If we're zooming in into the footprint chart, you can clearly see the order flow happening. You can clearly see how the flow of orders hitting the ask side. Liquidation right here, more ask than versus bid, which indicates a potential seller's wave. Pre-market, roll it over from buying delta to selling delta, and once the New York session open it up, you can clearly see that sellers are hitting in. Huge rollover into the delta, huge volume is entering the markets, and tank it to the downside. Very straightforward, right? Breaking off the max level, breaking lower into this imbalance, a new liquidation from Freddy selling to buying, a great liquidation into price. Bid is hitting the markets again, buying orders later into the New York session. Me and my community took the sell, but if you took the buy based on this buying imbalance, this was a winner too. It's very simple, it's very straightforward, but you need to know where to look for. That is the most important thing in trading. Footprint chart can guide you through these sessions and guide you to one specific time cycle. Reading the delta can guide you as well and seeing the real order flow, the real volume into the market, answer many questions. And this is how you can become a winner in this market, in this little industry where 99% of the people fail. It's a fact, it's a real fact. So once you understand how the market are opening up and which players are in control, the wheels, once you understand that, you're doing better than 99% of this industry. Remember that. Sellers to buyers and buyers to sellers and vice versa. Reading the order flow in the market gives you a real edge, Start winning. See you there.